Sabago. Headbanger. Hit me.
Congratulations, Chem Scholar. I am pleased to inform you that you are now entering the exciting world of atom and molecule counting. I bet you're thinking, how can I count atoms? They are too small. I can't see them. I can't hold 20 atoms of calcium in my hand. Well, guess what? In order to do chemical reactions, those activities that make pretty colors and gases and big booms, then we have to be able to keep up with the number of atoms and molecules going into our reactions. So you are going to have to get your mole on. No, not an ugly, burrowing mammal, not a snitch, not an unsightly facial blemish, a number, and not just any number, a big, big, big number. So big that we have to use scientific notation just to keep up with it. So, what is this number? 602 and 21 more zeros, or 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, also called Avogadro's number, after the scientist that discovered it. 1 mole of anything equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So, let's put this number into perspective. 1 mole of hockey pucks would equal the mass of the moon. 1 mole of basketballs would fit in a sack as large as the earth. 1 mole of pennies would cover the earth in a layer that was 1/4 mile deep. So, why such a big number? Because atoms and molecules are so small. We need a unit to keep up with them in lab that takes into account the extremely small nature of atoms and molecules. So, how does this work? Just like 1 dozen eggs is equal to 12 eggs, 1 mole of eggs is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd eggs. 1 mole of carbon is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of carbon. And 1 mole of table sugar is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd sugar molecules. Okay, awesome. But what if we have 2 dozen eggs? Well, that's easy math. This equals 24 eggs because 2 times 12 equals 24. Well, the same simple math applies to moles. If I have 2 moles of carbon, 2 times Avogadro's number would give me the number of atoms in 2 moles. This sounds complicated, but never fear, your calculator will help you with the scientific notation. The most common way to enter this into your calculator is to put 2 times, left parentheses, 6.02, second key, EE key, 23, right parentheses, equals. Got that? It'll look like this in your calculator. And the answer is 1.204 times 10 to the 24th. Try this one. How many molecules are in 5 moles of sugar? Pause and try it now. Welcome back. Well, 5 moles of sugar molecules equals 3.01 times 10 to the 24th sugar molecules. Is that what you got? Good. But what if you had 5 times 10 to the 46 atoms of calcium and you wanted to know how many moles this is? Well, it's the same idea, but you'll have to divide instead of multiply. Here it goes. You will divide 5.0 times 10 to the 46 atoms of calcium by Avogadro's number of calcium. In the calculator, you will enter left parentheses, 5.0, second key, EE key, 46, right parentheses, divided by, left parentheses, 6.02, second key, EE key, 23, right parentheses, equals button. It looks like this in your calculator. pause and enter it now. Welcome back. The answer is 8.3056 times 10 to the 22nd. You don't have to write all those numbers. You really only need 8.31 times 10 to the 22nd. Well, that's it. The mole. And how to solve problems using it. So make sure that you can get your mole on, because the mole will be present in many concepts that we cover in the next few weeks, including but not limited to chemical formulas, chemical reactions, balancing chemical equations, measuring gases, predicting the products of reactions. And all of these concepts come with, you guessed it, labs. Yay! Now, make sure that you do the problems at the end of this video and have me check them. Happy counting!